Hi everyone, welcome back to these great videos about file management in Laravel. Alright, so do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share on these videos. Today I'm talking about some bit of component kind of programming or coding in Laravel. Okay, so the first sort of component that we have, for example here, what I did since many view from the left to the right, I switched my view, okay, where I have now the code on this side and then the results on the other side. So, okay. So, for example, one of the components of the way of componenting Laravel, let me show you. For example, when we go to home.blade, okay, where we put, it says it extends. So home.blade has component divs that extend from layouts.app at a section called content. So which means if I go to layouts app.blade, there is somewhere after displaying the links and the body, the introduction of the body, and then the login, logout, conditions, then there is yield content. So I want us to create our own custom component. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to these views, the views folder. I'm going to right click and create a new folder. Okay, I'm going to give this folder a different name, but to show that it is having certain sub items that I need. Let me call it components. I'll press enter. So inside the components folder, I'm going to create a file and I call it menu.blade.php. So this is going to have our top menu. So in this top menu, I'm just going to create a basic div. I think I need to enable an extension to help me complete some of this. Okay, a basic div. Which basic div is going to have some unordered list. I'll modify this later. I just want it for our own sake, unordered list. And then it's going to have list items. List items, and the first one will be categories. I'm going to have other list items. This is just, I'll beautify this later, but let me just, okay, I have quick fingers. Categories, images, then lastly, we're going to have, great. So if we want this menu, I've saved, but of course it's not reflecting to appear on our front side. We can use something called includes so that it appears, because it's not going to be dynamically handling content. No, it's going to be appearing whatever we put it. So how do we put includes? Because Laravel already gives you yields, I don't want to teach you yields, but rather includes. So we're going to go to our home, okay? And then before the extension or inside the extension, we want to include. So at include, okay? And then we're going to put the path of what it includes. Then we look for the folder, okay? We're going to look for it in components. So we're going to put quotes, single quotes, component, it's components, and then we add a dot. Or it's adding the dot is like adding a slash like this. So dot. Now the file itself, okay, which is menu. All we have to do is save and we see if what we've done works like magic. All right, so you see the menu now appears. Okay, so I'm going to do some quick bootstrapping to make sure that the menu aligns. But now look at where it is. it is on top of our sign in. So which means I need to shift this include and put it under the section. Boom. Just like that. Okay, so it is appearing below. So I'm going to align it with Bootstrap so that it is a menu that displays from left to right. Okay, so let me do that and then come back in a moment. Welcome back. So you can see I've created the categories, images, videos, audios menu, and then I've added a horizontal rule to separate the top menus from these other menus. Okay, so this will become easy if you want to add an href, and we are going to do that in the next video. So where we're going to go to the categories, and then we display all categories on the categories page in a table, and then we can also make sure that we can have the categories to be edited or even deleted if you want.